brand new 3-piece bikini set from Cup She. This one is absolutely gorgeous. The bikini top is like a triangle style string bikini, only with amazing coverage. You can adjust it down here if you wanted to. Either way you wear it, everything is covered all the way to the side bust. The halter ties are nice and thick. You tie it at the neck, tie it in the back, the perfect level of adjustable support. These bikini bottoms, Baywatch vibes in the best way possible. High at the hips, low at the midsection. In all honesty, they're very cheeky in the back. If you like a cheeky swimsuit fit, this is such a hot look. The swim skirt is super soft and stretchy. It's got this slit in the front. You could even wear it to the side if you wanted to. The print on the swim skirt matches the bikini to a T.
Small. Ayan. Size is small on tag patangkini ma. Small size. Size is small on tag. Size is small size. Ayan, small. Okay, 129 dito, Beha. 129. Code ako dito ng 26. Code 26, code 26. 129, pang small. Skirt yan, madam. 129 lang. Okay, tangkini. Code 26, 129, 129, 129. 26 ang code, 26 ang code, 129. Code 26. Wali. Okay, next. Okay, next tayo. Ayan, walang pad lang. Doon ka sa far away. Near, far, wherever you are. Okay, tangki. Ay, wala nang Shonte. Tangki ni walang Shonte. Okay, next. Okay. Oh, extra small. Okay, may palining. Ito, extra small. Okay, smacking. Extra small on tag carry small. Ayan o. Extra small, carry small. Ayan. Pa-halter detalye sa likod. 149 code ako dito ng 22. Code 22, code 22, 149. Kayel. 149. Thank you, Kayel. Oh, screenshot kami ng SSD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, Beba. Okay, next. Okay, XL. Pa-halter or pwedeng pa-X na ganyan. XL size ba ding may pa-chain sa harap pa? XL. Size XL, high waist ang Shonte pang XL. XL size, 109. 109 XL. Code ako dito, 23. Code 23, code 23, 109 pesos. 23 ang code. 109, 109, 109. Code 23, code 23, 109 pesos. 23 ang code, 109. Okay, next. So, okay, one piece. Ay, maganda to. Oh. Turtleneck, madam, pang size. Small to med. Small to med. Tago po na. Ayan, small to medium, small to medium, small to med. 129, ganda. Oh, code ako dito ng 24. Code 24, code 24, 129, 129. 24 ang code. 22. Ano yung 22 ko kanina? Ayan, it's your girl, screenshot. Ano yung 22 ko kanina? Tapos natin yung code na yan. Oh. It's your girl, yours to, 129. Ayan, thank you. Screenshot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, Beba. Meron pa ng 20, ma'am. Hindi ko sure kung meron pa. Okay. Pa-halter detalye sa likod, med size. Size medium, medium one, ganda. Oh, two-tone brown. Pwede siyang i-partner sa short, ma. Maganda to pag sa short pinartner. Size medium, Shonte kasama, ha. Ayan, med size. Size medium, medium one, pa-halter detalye sa likod. Medium one, Okay, 109. Code ako 23. Code 23, code 23, 109, 109. 23 ang code. 109, size medium. It's your kick. Ayan, 109. Ayan, thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, madam. Okay, next. Okay, bralette na. Size is small. Small on tag, double lining, high waist ang syonte ha. Pang small. Small size, small on tag, pang small. Okay, 120. Code ako dyan ng 24. Code 24, 120, 120. 24 ang code, 24 ang code, 120. Small corduroy yan ha. Ayan o. Code 24, mine 24, 120, 120. 24 ang code. 120 small, bralette corduroy. Okay, next. Ops, XL. One piece size XL. XL on tag pa one piece. Ayan. Size XL, XL size. Okay, 129. 129, 129, code 25. Code 25, 129, 129. 25 ang code, 25 ang code. 129 pesos is code 25. 129, 129. Code 25, code 25, 129, 129. 25 ang code. Ayan. 25 ang code, 25 ang code. 129. Walay. Okay, walay dyan. Next. Ay, ito 3 in 1. Okay. Pa 3 in 1. Size is small. Bogs, ganda. Triangle tab small ha. Small on tag, sas meron siyang cover up na anes. Ay, ang ganda, pa-metallic oh. Okay, pa-metallic si bakla. Okay. Wait. Size is small on tag 169B. Kikay ka dyan. 169, code ako dyan ng code ng 19. Code ng 19, 169. 19 ang code. 169. Ayan, size is small. Code 19, mine 19, 169. 19 ang code. 169. Next tayo. One piece, size large. Large on tag, bading. Ganda niya no, large. Okay, plain color, large, 129. Code ako dito ng 3. Code 3, 129 na. Sige. Code 3, mine 3, 129. 129. 3 ang code. 129 pesos is size large. Large on tag, 3 ang code. 129. Wala. Okay, next tayo. Okay, size extra small. Oy, ganda. Y2K. Extra small on tag, madam, double strap, extra small. Extra small, 129. Code ako dito ng 35. Code 35, 129. 35 ang code. 129 pesos is. Code 35, mine 35, 129. 35 ang code, 35 ang code. 129. Code 35. Pang extra small, Y2K yan. 129. Okay, next. Omi. Size large. Ayan, ganito siya pag sa short pinartner. Tangkini. Ayan, large on tag. Wait lang. Okay, large on tag, one-sided siyang anes. Very pang, siya, mima ko, island girl. Large, with side ruch, taas mo yan, bay.